and then the sun come out. So we go into Damien's Bay. We go into Damien's Bay. It's me, Michael,
and check Damien.
Vincy Poots. Alright, we parked all the way up there because Michael's scared. Yes!
Hello, wake up!
I would not drive down here, I'm telling you.
But yet was instigating. Yeah, drive down there, go down there, go down there.
No. Right,
Vincent and his peppercorn bag because he rich. Rich, you know, peppercorns. Wow.
If it's one man who have faith that when guy rich and switch, it's Vincent.
You really think so?
It's
He will go and buy all the expensive vegan items that he always lusted after.
He driving the Patara now, yeah, boom. I can't even get Vincent to do all the small work. I don't help on a job, nothing.
Everyone wearing regular flip-flops, watch Janella with the expensive sandals. It look expensive.
She needs something to caress her pedicure.
Oh yeah, in truth. In truth. Oh my gosh, the beach looking so nice.
Yeah, that piece of gender baseline. That's there just no.
No, I will ignore it. I did not follow Janella because I mean she just threatened Vincent.
So we'll put money now.
I seen a little stone over there I could camp on. Okay, great. What is it about the beach that just tantalizes your soul?
The air, the water, not the weather today, but you know, it's just like the open area and well, in this particular beach, like not a lot of people around. You know, so for me, that's
As a class. How you liking the weather today?
I feel like it could be sunnier, but it's a nice calm feeling right now. I don't mind, but I would like some sun.
And you realize we're going on.
Rain started to fall.
Godlow on the track.
that's it for the video for today. Just came out of the house. I haven't done this in a very long time, and I thought that it would have been cool to film us going to the beach for the first time in at least 8 months or so. Now the sad thing is we didn't bathe because it's cold, the water is cold, the weather is chilly. The sun now starts to come out, so maybe we'll take a dip somewhere. I don't know. The water is also cold. So definitely next time. I may come to the beach tomorrow with my friend Melissa. So I will get my bath eventually. But that's the vibes, you know. I hope everybody's staying safe, taking care of your mental health, keeping your social distance, and doing all that you need to do to keep yourself safe and healthy. Until next video, sending all the good vibes.